Welcome to Design Tech Engineering Solutions. We are a group of engineers having wide range of Gulf experience in industrial, commercial, residential, power and health industry sectors with well-known multinational companies in UAE, Qatar and Saudi Arabia and well aware of local authority standards requirements. Design Tech Engineering Solutions firm established in Pakistan, and currently we are providing back office technical services to many well-known companies in UAE, Qatar, Oman and Saudi Arabia by providing them concept design to final stage design facilities in less time and at affordable cost. If you are interested in getting the best structural and architectural designs or drafting services for your RC structures, MS structures, PEB structures, GRC, GRP, FRP cladding structures, electrical or fire safety design drawings, interior designing solution, BM modeling, value engineering, then welcome to Design Tech Engineering Solutions. Due to prevailing economic pressure, every business entity tries to reduce their overheads. It's always economical to have back office in low-cost countries, as this outsourcing can reduce your project design cost by 60 to 70%. Make us your business partner. Leave your all worries, save your time, money and energy by focusing on your core business. Please contact Design Tech for any type of technical services as described.